Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Technical Moby Days. I hope you all are enjoying. So today we will see how we can block any program using Windows Firewall. So blocking your program means like blocking your applications. Suppose if you want to block your Google Chrome or your Internet Explorer or your Microsoft Edge, which is built using a program, so you can block that using Windows Firewall. So if I tell you the firewall concept, firewall enables you to block any outgoing or incoming traffic. So without any further delay, let's see how you can block any program. So first of all, just open Windows Defender Firewall and make sure you have turned on your Windows Defender Firewall. Like you can see, I have turned on Windows Defender Firewall for public network and private network as well. So make sure you have turned on it and make sure you have click on notify me when Windows Defender Firewall blocks any new app. So it's for notification and it is the default setting of your Windows Defender Firewall. So make sure it is on. Then go for advanced settings and here you can see the inbound rules and outbound rules. Inbound rules and outbound rules means if you can block any incoming traffic and you can block any outgoing traffic. To suppose I want to block any outgoing traffic, like I wish to block that I can, like someone if access my system, he or she unable to access any Google Chrome or any Explorer or Microsoft Edge. So what I will do is I will go for new rules and I will go for the program. I will do a next. uh, then I will do next and it will show the path of the program. Like every application have their path, like exe file which is built by the program. So just browse it. So suppose just go to C drive and then go to program files 86 and then suppose I want to block Google Chrome, so I will just go to Google Chrome. I will open it. I will just go to Chrome and just in the application I will search for Chrome exe file application. I will just click on it. I will just open it and then I will do next and here you can see block the connection. I will do next for all private, public and domain. Do next and just make a name like I blocked this site. Do finish. So I just wrote it site. So here you can see I I blocked this site. It is sit, but it is site, but I brought it sit. Let it be, no problem. So now suppose I want to access Google Chrome or any page in the Google. Suppose I want to open YouTube. So it will show me the error. This site can't be reached. Anything if you want to wish to open maps, anything in the Google, you cannot able to open it. Okay, because you have applied a rule that it will show the site can't be reached. It will keep loading and it will keep showing this site can't be reached. And when you delete this rule and then you can able to access that. So let me show you. I have deleted this rule. Now if I wish to open map, see, I'm able to open map and YouTube as well. Anything whatever you want, you can open it. So this is how you can block any program. I think it is interesting to you. And let's try with another one. If I want to block Internet Explorer, I will go do the same. I will just go for the new rules in programs and do next. Then I will go for the path, program files, then Internet Explorer. Here you can see iexplorer.exe. Just to open. Let me show you that how it first looks like without blocking the site. So it will, this will open this page. Okay, so let me cancel it before applying the rule. And after applying the rule, how it will react, let me show you. Block the connection, domain private public, next. Then just I blocked this site. Okay, now let's check. See, it will show you can't reach this page. Anything whatever you want to open, like if you want to open Amazon, if you want to open Facebook, it won't let you open until and unless you not delete your the rule. So let me delete the rule and let me refresh it. Here you can see you can open it. So likewise you can block any program in using Windows Firewall. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.